Guys, we've come out to the seashore here and we're just exploring some rock pools with our nets. And we're going to give you a few hints and tips on collecting seafood and shellfish and stuff like that from rock pools. So I think this one looks good. You should be aiming for small ones that are like nice and deep.
Ones that have like rocks inside them, like this one, because I've seen fish in here. There's at least one in here. I know that for sure. It's small, but and there's also one in here. Where it is, I don't know. It'd be harder to find them in here because it's bigger. Okay, so
what you should be aiming to do is kind of like move things around, see if anything kind of darts out.
Oh wait, I'll pull up my sleeve. Hermit crab. That's all we got now anyway. Well, I was pretty sure there's a fish in here. I'm gonna keep looking though. Oh yeah. Fill it up with water, bucket.
Okay, we're gonna keep looking. Myself and Rory found something.
It's a crab, and just moved a rock. It ran up around here, and then like it ran back under a rock again, and then we couldn't find it.
And we moved it.
But this crab was extremely well camouflaged. Don't walk it out.
And there he is.
Yeah.
That is quite a decent size actually. Look, it's just hiding in that little rock. Where's our little... yeah, there's a bucket.
Thank you, crab.
You just grabbed onto the net there.
That was a good idea.
Let's go look at the So we got so far, we got a little hermit crab and quite a nice little what do we call it? Rock pool crab? Sea crab?
I don't know. I think you can eat those crabs. I'm not too sure.
Take out the hermit crab. He seems to be. He's okay. So yeah, 2 crabs, and we're still looking for some rockfish. Not too much luck on them because they're very small and very fast. Oh yeah, by the way, what we're using is just a basic kids fishing net. You know, just the plastic bamboo handles, and they've got like really small holes, so when you dig into the water and you catch something, all the water will run out, and then you just have the fish left or the crab left. So yeah, we'll get back to you once we find some more stuff, because there's a lot of rock pools around here. That we just came across that crab very barely. It was very welcome back. We've moved to a different rock pool, and bring it up.
And we've literally straight away caught this rockfish.
Small little rockfish.
We'll let you see it better now. We'll put it into the bucket.
There he is.
Oh, nice. It's a nice size, like. It's a good fish.
And small little fish there.
And I'm pretty sure that there could be another few fish in here as well.
And actually, one more tip on the bucket. Grab a few pieces of seaweed and stuff so the fish don't feel totally exposed. Kind of try to make a little habitat for them. Maybe a few shells as well. Caught in this pool here. And we like put 2 nets together and he just swam into mine. Cool little thing. The bigger ones are darker. These the smaller ones are quite transparent, and they're very, very fast. But would you be able to eat these?
Yeah, the big ones, yeah.
Big ones are able to eat, but these small ones are just worth putting back in.
be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you, but do you want to come on? I scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. Soon to boom, 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 boom. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do.
Oh man, there's two big
Our
crabs there.
name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm
Oh man, there's two more in here.
Three.
Oh, they're big. Holy cow.
Oh,
You got two crabs there, Anthony.
Where are the two fish now?
There's one big one there.
Oh God.
Wait, I go this way. In my hand. In my hand, I got.
Hillbilly hand fishing.
Wait, there's another one here.
Look at all that now.
What area is that? Devon. I haven't answered.
I'm not putting my hand in there.
Oh, look at that one! Look! Oh yeah. Scare him in.
Here.
Here's fingers.
Yeah, have
shut.
two them of them.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Be gentle with them.
Oh, that's right here.
They don't know fish.
There's another crab.
Oh, there goes another big crab. Pick him out right there.
Here, hold that.
You even know this?
Oh no, my back.
Wait,
Right.
stop.
Oh, and this one in here. Definitely
Round it up.
Does he have a soft shell, Roy?
Shiny. That's a female, I think. It has a little flappy thing. What, Anthony?
Nice. This is real rock fishing. Rock pool fishing. Look at all that. There's crabs, like loads of rockfish.
This has turned out to be good.
Yeah. That's our catch.
How was that fish?
There's a load of massive ones as well, like.
Yeah, look, the 3 big ones.
They'll be fair good for live bait.
Yeah, here, we'll definitely keep them in.
For live bait. So nice big crab.
Look at the big one there.
They're small. Whoa, pick up that fish, Rory. That is big.
Oh, it feels weird.
What kind of fish are they at all?
Rockfish.
Yeah.
Look kind of eely though.
That one's on.
Which one?